Pete Wright. Revon Pereira, that is long cutout pass. Amanabak try number 1 for St. Peter's College.
ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් නැති දවටනේ නියම විල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක්ටයිල් ඇඩසිව් අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා.
Welcome to the Papre as we bring you live action from the big match. St. Joseph's College taking on St. Peter's College in their 65th annual encounter for the Reverend Father Basil Veeratunga Memorial Shield. Both teams will no doubt be eyeing to end the 2025 season with a big win, and what a better way to end the season, winning the big match against their arch rivals.
Well, now it's time to take a look at the starting 15s of the two teams for this big encounter, big match encounter. St. Peter's College forwards for this game: Ashaz Akram, Shevala Begun, Herft, Revon Pereira, Janut Ratnayaka, Lucky Durana Singha, Hasan Madugaspe, Shenuka Pereira, and the backs Swilash Pereira, Emit Jaivira, Vishenka Silva, Pramuka Aditya, Nilshan Mantusha, Rajit Jion, and Senuddin San. The replacements: Pereira, Soisa, Kavishan, Krishan, Arosh, Nimzara, Zabar, Wahab, Zaid, and Wahab.
Number 8 with Inosh Silva at number 8, Ashin Kumar and Janit Marasinghe, beg your pardon, in the flanks. In the backs it's Akshan with Brian Fernando continue in the half-back combination. Bhishma is joined by Dion Fernando with Senu Chakiran, Clive Hingat and Nathan Gunratna rounding off the run-on 15 for St. Joseph's College. Well, St. Joseph's College will be minus their impact centre, who played a massive role in the game against St. Thomas's College, and of course the other was Isipatana College in that grand final, as Emit Jaivira kicks things off. Shallow kick collected by the Josephians. Somehow recycle things. Still with their big forwards trying to battle their way through. Janit Marasinghe, he goes over for the first try.
Through Janit Marasinghe.
Yes indeed, Laksasi, the conversion is good. Pete Wright. Revon Pereira, that is long cutout pass. Amanabak try number 1 for St. Peter's College. Forward, now Hamish Gamage, make it a couple of meters. Hamish Gamage goes over for St. Joseph's College. Bhishma, off the upright it goes, and St. Joseph's College.
On the line, please.
Digging in is the big forward for St. Joseph's, but the Pete Wright defense soon closes on him. Now the big drop forward, he goes over. Tisat, is it? Goes digging in was Akshan. Gives it out to his big forwards. Janit Marasinghe, he goes over for his second Amanabak try. 4th try for St. Joseph. And what a difference being selected to the Sri Lankan team has done for him. St. Joseph's College 21 points to the good. And well, coach Sanat Martis, he will no doubt have quite a bit to say. 26 points to 5 reads the halftime score. St. Joseph's College.
ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් නැති දවටනේ නියම විල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක්ටයිල් ඇඩසිව් අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා.
lovely old pass. To the line they go. Numbers on the outside. Vishenka bumps off his would-be tackler. Beats a couple. Vishenka Silva. Step in, weave in, and he goes over for the Peterites. Second Amana Bank try. Knew that they have to be the team scoring next, and that's exactly what they did. Amit Javir, secure position, still under the pump. Nathan gets the clearance away, but he kicks it off into the graceful grasp of the Peterites' best player. And he's going. Line out secured. The maul set up for St. Joseph's College. Mindul Kaperra at the tail of the maul. Taking it. Making their way forward are the Josephians. Will they go for their fifth Amana Bank try? Yes, it does. Mindul Kaperra goes over for their fifth Amana Bank try. Stand-in start. Does not have too much meters on his feet. Now Nathan sends it out. Clive. High tackle coming in there. This time around. There you go. Clive Hingert. Step in. Both players. Whoa. He sees red. Does Netchan. Inosh Silva. Bump in his way. Massive tackle coming in. Inosh Silva hands it off to Janit Marasinghe. Will he go over? Twisting and turning, swiveling. Yet another great tackle. However, numbers on the outside. St. Peter's College will go over for the final Amana Bank try. Dismantle the Peterites. The try goes converted, but that's that. St. Joseph's College win. They will be distraught by this performance. St. Joseph's College managing to get the better out of their opponents. St. Joseph's College come away with the win, 36 points to 19, and it is one to savor for the Josephian faithful watching on.
St. Peter's College from going over the line at least 4 or 5 times, where they stopped them from going over in very crucial moments. Now these are the key stats. St. Joseph's College 36 points, St. Peter's College 19, 6 tries for St. Joseph's, just 3 for St. Peter's, 3 conversions from the Joes and 2 from the Peterites. And the twisted perfect player of the match, Janit Marasinghe. What an effort, what a star he is. A hat-trick of Amana Bank tries for him. College, they win back the Reverend Basil Veeratunga Memorial Shield, beating St. Peter's College not by just 4 or 5 points, but by a huge margin as well. What a win for them. They have been searching for this for a very long time, and finally they got the job done. Skipper Bhishma Jayasekara, Janit Marasinghe, the Swiss Tech perfect player of the match.
ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් නැති දවටනේ නියම විල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක් ටයිල් ඇඩසිව් අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා